VMware vSAN configuration in VMware Cloud allows organizations to leverage software-defined storage for high performance, scalability, and resilience. As an integral part of VMware's hyperconverged infrastructure, HCI, vSAN eliminates the need for traditional SAN-NAS storage by pooling direct attached storage DAS from ESXi hosts into a single shared data store. This configuration simplifies storage management, reduces operational costs, and improves workload efficiency across hybrid and multi-cloud environments. The vSAN configuration process starts with deploying a vSAN cluster, which requires at least 3 ESXi hosts to ensure data redundancy and availability. Each host contributes SSD or HDD storage to the cluster, forming disk groups that consist of a cache tier, SSD for read-write acceleration, and a capacity tier, HDDs, SSDs for persistent data storage. Admins can configure all-flash or hybrid vSAN clusters depending on performance requirements. The vSAN Storage Policy-Based Management (SPBM) framework allows IT teams to define policies for data redundancy, performance, and encryption at a per-VM level, ensuring granular control over storage resources. After enabling vSAN through vSphere Client, administrators configure vSAN networking, which requires a dedicated VM kernel adapter for vSAN traffic. Best practices recommend using high-speed 10 gigabit or higher networking with NSX-T for microsegmentation and optimized traffic flow. Once networking is set up, vSAN's automated disk discovery and RAID protection, RAID 1 mirroring, or RAID 5/6 erasure coding ensure data redundancy and fault tolerance. Additionally, deduplication and compression features optimize storage utilization, reducing capacity consumption. VMware vSAN also supports stretched clusters, enabling data replication across geographically separated sites for business continuity and disaster recovery. Admins can configure vSAN fault domains to protect against rack or site failures, ensuring high availability. Furthermore, vSAN integrates seamlessly with VMware Cloud on AWS, allowing businesses to extend their on-premises vSAN clusters to the cloud, enabling hybrid cloud storage and seamless workload mobility. To monitor and maintain vSAN performance, VMware provides vRealize Operations, Aria Operations for real-time analytics, predictive capacity planning, and automated workload balancing. IT teams can use vSAN Health Service to identify potential issues and ensure the cluster is running optimally. Encryption at rest and in transit ensures data security, meeting compliance standards like GDPR, HIPAA, and FIPS 142. By properly configuring vSAN in VMware Cloud, organizations gain scalable, cost-efficient, and high-performance storage for modern applications, including databases, virtual desktops, and containerized workloads. Let's continue.